Hey guys, so today I have swatches of the Mooncat Band of Misfits collection. This is a 4-piece collection. This is available right now. I will link the Mooncat website down below. I do have a few Mooncat videos to finish up and post because I'm really behind, but I thought I would try to be timely. So 4 polishes all together, and I will get into the swatches. The first polish is called Heavenmetal, and this is described as a sheer white filled with ultra fine silver holographic glitter flakies and icy blue shimmer. So this one is sheer on the first coat. It has that very ethereal, can still see some nail line through it look. Starts to build pretty well on that second coat, but is still a little bit sheer, and the shimmer that's in here, that blue shimmer, stands out really nicely. This actually covered almost completely for me in 3 coats. I was surprised at how well it built up by the time I got to the third coat. I could still see a little bit of nail line, but it was one of those things where I really had to look for it. So I was pleasantly surprised to see how well this one built up. So that is 3 coats of Heavenmetal. The next polish is called Moonicorn, and this is described as a light lilac polish filled with green shimmer and micro holographic glitter. This one also has that kind of sheer, light, ethereal look to it, and just like the last polish, that shimmer that's in there, that contrasting shimmer, stands out really nicely. And it actually built really well for me on the second coat. I could still see a little bit of nail line if I really looked for it, but it was so minor that I didn't think it was worth a third coat at all. So that is 2 coats of Moonicorn. The next polish is called Spaceoddity, and this is described as a multichrome flaky that shifts between berry pink, purple, orange, and green. So this is beautiful. This is in a decently opaque jelly base, so it builds up really nicely. The flakies that are in there just glow from underneath that base. Now it says that they're multichrome flakies. They are, and you can like flip the bottle around a little bit and see the shift, but it's not the strongest shift ever, so they are still going to look predominantly this hot pink color. But oh my gosh, I love this. It's so pretty. And since these are multichrome flakies, they will lay very flat, so they won't be textured at all or difficult to remove like a glitter would be. So that is 2 coats of Spaceoddity. And the last polish is called Sin Eater, and this is described as a deep wine purple filled with subtle color shifting red to orange to green shimmer. So great formula, great coverage on this. I love this kind of shifty shimmer mixed into a deeper blue, like a navy blue or a royal purple kind of jelly base. I've seen this a lot of times. I could probably dupe this polish several times over out of my own collection, but I love it every single time I see it. Like, it never gets old to me. This easily covered for me in 2 coats, and again, I fall for this kind of finish every single time. So that is 2 coats of Sin Eater. So my favorite is definitely going to be Spaceoddity. Those flakies are so reflective and so cool, and they glow from underneath that base. The base is also opaque enough that this covers in 2 coats. I was just really, really happy with this one. So that is the Mooncat Band of Misfits collection. Again, I will link the Mooncat website down below where you guys can check those out. Hope you enjoyed this one, and I will talk to you later.